Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add a drop-down list in Word. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe howXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my Word application, just go to File menu and just go to More option, and you will get option called Options. Just choose the options and you will get a different kind of template box will be available. So just go to Customize Ribbon. Once you click Customize Ribbon, there will be a main tab options will be available. Just to scroll down, you will get option called Developer. So once you choose Developer checkbox, automatically the developer ribbon will be added in your menu. So I've given the checkbox, so just click OK. So once I click checkbox OK means my menus, that is my menu, will be added developer tool. So this is a beautiful option. So while I just go to same options and I just want to remove the sticks, means the developer will be hidden over here. So similarly, you just enable this developer option so that you can create a different kind of drop down menu. Just go to Customize Ribbon and just choose a developer option. Just click OK. The developer option will become over here. So I just have some choose department. I just have some department, so I just want to give the drop down menu. So just click the developer. So once you click the developer option, there will be a different kind of icons will be available, combo box and a drop down list, and selection options will be available. Just click the drop down. Once you click the drop down, the choose and items will be available. So if you want to add the items, just go to properties here, just click the properties and give the title. So I just click a department. So once I click the department, there is a different kind of icons. There is already drop down menus will be there. Just to delete the menu, so I just remove the menu. I just want to add the menus. For example, I just have some finance and I just add this one. Again, I add payment department and I just want to add sales department, and so I can add more department, or I just want to modify this one. I can modify this so according to my name, and I can add and save it according to the details. So if you want to give the bounding box, you can give start and ending tag, and you just want to give the colors, you can give the colors according to your needs. And I just click here for OK, so I can choose the department I can have access. For example, choose department. For example, I just have some name and I just want to choose his department names called sales, so that I can choose and have access. So for example, I just remove the start to ending to bounding box, so that only the bounding box will be available, so I can choose the drop down option. So beautifully I can insert a drop down in Word and I can have access. So some of the people may love to have this drop down into Word and make their work easy and professional. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my howXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.